गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। टुडे वी डिस्कस about must be benefits of good corporate governance and example. With the support of solid compliance culture and boards of director can be benefit and multitude of ways from best practice and corporate governance, and below are some good corporate governance and practice and examples. First one is encouraging positive behavior. Having clearly delegated and the policies and process and a board of directors and executive managers and who maintain the compliance and culture directly support and improvement results. Next one is reducing the cost of capital. In today's volatile environment, and the implementation of good governance and practice can lead to reductions in a company's cost of capital. An organization that is seen to be stable, reliable, and able potential risk and will be able to borrow funds at a lower rate than those with weak corporate governance and companies with debt and equity, and investors may find that their investors pay a premium to work with a company and that has a sound governance framework. Third one is improving top level decision making. There is a strong and repaired decision making associated with improved and performs explains and the Corporate Governance Institute in a recent report. A number of performance and failures have been directly linked to poor governance. Next one is assuring internal controls. By implementations and corporate governance and currently acquires the organization, the board may be certain and that an accurate and effective control environment is in effect with the level of assume and associated with each important component of governance. Next one is enabling better strategic and planning. with more rapid and access to informations and good communications with management and boards are able to formulate more successful strategic. And next one is attracting talented directors. And Wing is the talented and non-executive director and with complementary and skills sets and helps to make an overall and comprehensive assignment of the overall sustainability of the organization and including its level of the compliance and with relevant legislations. Thank you.